Meaning of fuzzily.
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 Fuzzily. Fuzzily means in a vague or indistinct manner, lacking clarity or precision. When something is described as being done fuzzily, it suggests that it was not done with great attention to detail or that it produced ambiguous or unclear outcomes. For example, a person might describe their recollection of a dream as being fuzzily remembered, indicating that the details are hazy and uncertain. Similarly, instructions or plans that are created fuzzily may lack the necessary specificity for successful execution. Overall, the term fuzzily often implies a lack of clarity or precision.